Now this floor is actually going to be featuring our black Leggari Effects. It's one of the easiest floors that we've ever launched. Very, very simple technique.
Before we get started on today's video, we wanted to let you know that we're on our way to 800,000 subscribers, and we've noticed that a huge percentage of you guys that watch our videos every week are not subscribed to our channel. It only takes seconds out of your day to press that subscribe button, especially if you enjoy this content. We launch videos every week so you can get notified every time there's a new one. Thanks for all your support. We hope you enjoy the video.
All right, so we want to make sure the surface is really clean. So we're spreading out right now, pouring out the pigmented white epoxy all around the perimeter and down through the middle. Notice we're not using any primer on this. It's important that you use primer. We're just skip that for the sake of this video. We want to make sure that we do our edges and then kind of fill in everything in between. And we like to use a squeegee and then go to a roller because the squeegee moves it around about 90% of the way, 99% of the way it seems like, and then that paint roller will then just smooth everything out and help it self-level even better. Once you've done the perimeter, you're just going to go back and forth, and now you're spreading out that bead that's on the middle of the floor and then grabbing excess from each edge. Now you want to grab a roller. This is a 9-inch roller with a 3/8-inch nap. Go edge to edge, wall to wall, and you're going to overlap about half the roller width, and you're just going to cross roll. You're going to roll all the way across that floor and help that thing level out, and then you're going to roll the other direction, called cross rolling, just like he's doing here now. Okay, so these are our black Leggari Effects. They go really far. A little goes a long way. So you're going to want to shake that up, and notice it's just little drops. And now he's using a squeegee technique just to kind of move those around. And the Leggari Effects are so easy to work with. And he's just kind of going over the piles and spreading that color out a little bit. Now same thing, he went to the other half of the floor. So same thing, just trying to make it match the other side of the floor as best you can, but again, you're just going random. Okay, so just like Tyler here, if you get done and you notice there's some spots near the wall or just really blank spots on the floor, you can always add a drop or two. Remember, a little goes a long way. All right, now when you spray the isopropyl alcohol, you want kind of medium to smaller drips. You don't want huge streams coming out, and you don't want a fine mist. You want to be right in between. And when that alcohol hits the floor, it's just going to disperse those effects and look absolutely beautiful.